Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you back. If this is your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. Please do hit the subscribe button for me. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hair. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this hair in just how many minutes? 20 minutes. And yes, so if you want to know how I did it, please keep watching. So guys, the first thing I made sure I did was to have my hair all out. I just combed it for a start. Then that's my rubber band I'm just going to be using to pack my hair. But first things first, I had to recomb my hair once again because I needed everything to be like on the same level. Then I'm just going to go in with my rubber band and pack my hair roughly for like a start. And you have to really like make sure everything like slick down for it starts. Know that there's still some kind of stubborn goods that will not still slick down, so just try your best to slick some down. First things first, you can see how I managed to slick them down. Then I'll be going in with my EcoStyler Gel. Then I'm also going to be using this brush. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to apply those gel on my hair like I'm doing right now. Just apply it. I mean, I'm not saying you should just apply a little quantity. Any quantity that works for you, as long as it is looking slick down, I feel that's like really good. So yes, that's what I just did. I went into applying my EcoStyler Gel and making sure that I was using my hand to kind of slick it down partially. Then I did the same for my back hair. So I'm just going to apply more on some part I felt like the gel was not really there. Then I went in with that brush, and you have to comb, you have to brush uniformly. Don't just brush hazardly, because it's going to like tell and it's going to like scatter the whole stuff you and your hand and your gel have like created, the whole uniformity your hand and gel have created initially. If you brush hazardly, it's going to like scatter the whole pattern. So just brush uniformly using your hand to assist. So you can see those excess. I'm just going to try and pack my hair, but this time uniformly, like I said, uniformly. And this part is really so crucial. You have to try your best to achieve the perfect bun this time around. No, you already slicked down your hair, so you have to like get the perfect bun this time around. Then I'm just going to use my rubber band and I'll cap that down. Yep. So that's what I did for how to slick my hair basically. Then moving on to the next stage, I'm just going to use this scarf to tie my hair properly. I just want it to like slick down. Yes, I want like the wet effect to like not be there. When you apply gel, it has this wet effect. So afterwards, I just removed it for some minutes and I had to do my edges. So I just went in with my EcoStyler Gel and that little toothbrush that is not used again. Yes. Just did my head edges. So the next thing I did was to just lay down those edges with my scarf. If you guys have not seen how I keep my edges laid, I have a video on that, the secret to the laid edges. So yes, basically go watch that also. And because I did not tie my scarf properly, I had to show you guys how you had to do the back as well. The back has its own pattern. You just are not going to leave your hair to be dangling at the back, making sure that your hair in front is covered. Nope, you have to like cover the whole thing properly, appropriately. I just did my makeup, and there I am with my darling hair. Then I just tried to detangle it. That was like a tug of war though. I never thought that it would be so hard. Like, how the hell have I been using this for my hair and did not know that? Okay, it was like so superficial. So yes, I am just going to be using that rubber band. This point is also crucial. I'll be using this rubber band once again and just hold it in. This is a crucial point where you have to be careful because that's where like the magic comes in. Then I just release my hair and I'll put that on my hair. Then I'll start rolling around my hair, making sure that like I'm having this uniform. Yes, just like that. I'm having this uniform bun. Let me just give you a hint. The hint is that you're not just gonna get this shit like ASAP, but if you really continue, especially when it comes to where you're going to attach the edges, the edge of like your attachment, you have to really be careful. But really, it's not that hard. You're just gonna try your best and just to know how to do it. Then I'm just gonna be going in with bobby pins to attach my hair. Those excess there, attach it. Then go in with more. You also be needing bobby pins. It's gonna save your ass in this process because some attachment, like it can really go around and still like go under your hair. So that was how I did mine. I still went to like adjust some other things. I was able to take that under my hair, and there you go. I just had little accessories on my hair. Then I went to apply my powder very well for my face, and this is how pink I look. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just hit the subscribe button for me. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video.